Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I saw it.
Okay, good. So I'm going to teach you how to do basic things, like how to create things.
Okay.
Okay, I like seeing your face. Okay. So,
Me?
I say I like seeing your face when I'm teaching. So let's talk about ATM. So what is ATM about? I know you don't know what ATM means, right? You don't know the meaning, but I'm going to tell you what it means. So ATML means hypertext micromap language.
What?
Let me create. I'm going to type it here for you. Sorry, hypertext marking language. So that's the meaning of HTML. HTML means sorry about that. So this is what it means.
Wait, can you write it in chat?
You said what?
Can you write it in chat?
Okay, yeah, let me copy it and write it in chat. Let me
Okay,
just
be right back. Be right back.
okay.
Can you still hear me?
So I've written that in chat. It means hypertext marking language. So if you want to talk about what what is the HTML, what does it tell you to do? Number one, it talks about the heading. That's what is the heading. And then where is the paragraph? And then what the picture or the link look like. That is what is about. You understand what I'm saying? So for example, if let me just write a whole thing, like I want to write, okay, for the heading, let's start with simple HTML page. I want to write a simple HTML page. So let me just write head here. I'm going to write like this, HTML. So this is going to be supported using this. Then I talked about head. We'll talk about head because we want it to have a heading, right?
Say that again.
Head. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
So we always remember to always close it. So I'm looking for where this is.
Close what?
So you know I wrote HTML, then I'm supposed to write head too. You close it like this. So we're going to have, we're trying to create a simple page, right? So let's have
Yes.
a title. So let's say title, it's just like simple English, like title, TITLE. Then we close it. All
I
right.
really
Let's
don't
say my
Wait,
first,
I don't get what you mean by close it.
you said what?
I don't get what you mean by close it.
Okay, 1 second. So what
Like
I mean,
is
you
it like
see,
you write it like is
yeah,
it like writing it like this?
yeah. So you have to, you don't leave it, like we can't write title without the open. Yes. So this is the open and close. Exactly. That's what I mean. So for this now, we're going to close the title too in the other part. So in this part, let me just copy this and then I'll place it here. But it's going to be with
screen is like so blurry. I can't even like see what you're writing.
You say what?
So do I write what you're writing?
Let's use, if you want to use heading, it's going to be H1.
Wait, so do I do what you're writing?
What did you say?
Do I write what you're writing?
Can you come again?
Should I write what you're writing?
Sure, sure, you have to write it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna write it on my book first, and
Yeah,
then I'll write it in. I'll
yeah.
write it on my book first, and then I'll write it
Okay, okay.
in code pen. So is it just that?
No. So wait, when you want to talk about, I'm going to explain H1 for you. So when we want to talk about H1, for example, if you want your heading of your website to be bold, we'll use H1. So we have H1 to H6. So for example, I'm going to use H2 so that you see how it's going to come. H2, H2.
Wait. So in H1 you close it, and then you write the thing in bold.
Yes. So for H1, it means you want, did you see my results here? Did you see the down, this place? You see how bold it is? So you know when
Yes.
you're creating a website, if you open different website, you see different design. So for example, if you have to create a website and you want it to be bold, so we have H1 to H2 to H6. You understand what I'm saying?
H1 to H6.
Yes, we're going to try it. We're going to try everything.
I think you said first wrong.
Huh?
You said first wrong.
Oh, sorry, my bad. So H1 is going to be the
Mm-hmm.
boldest, it's going to be the biggest. Then H2 is going to be, so H2 then to H6. You understand what I'm saying? H1 is the main topic, H2 subtopic, H3 are the subtopic. So let's make a fun fact about it. So H2, let me just copy this. Let me just copy this and edit them to make it faster for us. So I'm going to do this up to 6 times and then I'm going to edit it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see these are all bold, right? They're all the same thing. Did you see the results there?
Yes.
Change this to 2 and then is 2 already. Then change this to 3. Change this to 4. Change this to 5. Then change this to 6. So do you see how from both to the smallest it is?
Hmm. All right. Well, so what are we writing?
So I'm just trying to do an example. So this is how it is. So for example, 2. So let's say we have to create a website, the heading, this is the boldest, and then H6 is always 6. So the list we have is only to H6. There's no H7.
Wait. So are we done with HTML? So can I write it on the code pen now?
Yes, right. We are not done, but just this is part of it. Can you write it on the code pen? Yes, please do that.
Okay.
Thank you.
'Cause I was gonna write more on my book if we were not done yet.
Yeah, we have a lot we're going to do. So this is for heading, right?
Then H1.
So CSS is for adding colors.
CSS is color.
Like if you want to design this, so that's where we had our color.
Hold on. Let me look at yours.
Let me write this. I'm going to explain it to you before.
I'm almost done with HTML.
Okay. So what CSS does is that CSS change how things look on your website. So it gives beauty to it. HTML is for the heading. We just did the heading. Why, for example, you want to put color, you want to change it, you want to make it bigger, you want to put it in the center. That is what CSS does. So like the one I just wrote now, this is the body. Like I want the whole body to be green. You can put any color you want. You understand what I'm saying? You see how it changed to green.
Oh, okay, okay. Let me write this down.
Mhm.
Wait, so what are those like things for?
You said what? You are freeze.
Excuse me.
What did you
What
say?
are those? What are those? What are those? What is the thing after body for?
It's a background color, background color. So because I want the background, this is the background that is green. So because I want the background color to be green, so I change it
No,
to
but like I mean on the first line after body.
that's like open brackets. Let me send it to you on the chat. You get it on your laptop, Kiba.
Mhm.
So this is it, is in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Let me send it to you on the chat.
I mean, I know what it is, but like, I zoomed in, but like, I was wondering what it was for. Like, why
Okay,
is
yeah,
it not
don't use
in?
that, it's not gonna work. That's why we're coding. You understand what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, so I shouldn't use it?
Huh?
So I shouldn't use it?
You need to use it. You need to use it. So because it is a they call it curly browse, that's the English name. So what it does is that we write the rules for how the part of the website should look like. So it's a selector which wants you to style. It's an opening, the opening, and then you have to style it. That's why we are using some style property. So it has an opening and then it has a closing. Do you understand now?
Mm,
You understand?
yes.
Okay.
It's not changing color. I put the code in, it's not changing.
Can you share your screen, please? Let me stop sharing mine. Mm. Share yours, let me see. Okay. So your background is not, the spelling is not correct. There's supposed to be a K. BACK. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, Joshua. Can you hear me?
Yes, I don't know what happened.
Maybe it's the network. So continue sharing your screen. Okay. So you fix it. That was where the mistake is. That was where the mistake is. Good. So what do you think we're going to, if we want to change the color of H1, what do you think we're going to do? Huh? Your computer is froze again. If you want to change the color of H1, what do you think we are going to do? Do you have idea? So we want to give H1 a color. What do you think we're going to do in the CSS spot?
Uh, so should I do like body-ish? Like body?
No, no, we are not doing body this time around. We are doing H1. So write H1.
Uh,
H1. No, no, you don't use the bracket. You just write H1 without. So this is a CSS place. Good. Then you put the same brass coil, that bracket open. Good. Then you now go down. Good. No. Yeah, you can use front. If you want to give it a front side. No. Front color. No. No, you just, in this case, we only use color. You have to take away the front and the, yes, color. Yeah. But always remember to use the semicolon. Did you see the semicolon after green? I know it works, but you need to use it. Yes. So that's how it works. So you can give the color for till H6. No, you don't. You take away that minus. You do it separate. You have to do it separately. This is for one. So this is the basic. Like if you start being advanced, I'm just teaching you the basic. Don't worry, we'll still go back to scratch. But I just want you because you can't even sign up for this. It's not letting you without email. Okay, good. So there's something they also call test align.
text align?
Yes, let me put it in the chat for you.
Say that one more time.
You said what?
Say it one more time.
Test align is in the chat. That's if you want to use it. So for the test align, you could do center, you could do left.
Text align. Okay.
No, you put it, let's say we want to do it for H1. So you need to go back to H1 or H5 or anywhere you want to use it. So you put it after the background and after the color. Red. After the red, you scroll down. No, after the red. Then you go down and then write another one. Yes, test align. This is the spelling is not correct.
And now what?
Put the semicolon. Then make it center, right center, center, left, right, depending on what you want. Semicolon for the center, then two dots for test align, just like the way you wrote column. Yes, dots, then semicolon for that one. Yes, so you see it went to the center, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you're trying to create a website, and it depends on where you want it to go, so you use the test align. So you can play with the remaining one. We have left, we have right. You can try using left, maybe for H2, then right. Play around those ones too and see how it goes.
Done.
Okay, let me see. You stop sharing your screen. Can you hear me? You freeze. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Joshua? Today network is bad, right?
Like really bad.
Yeah. Was it raining in your place?
What?
Was it raining your side?
It's not raining.
Okay. Yeah, so that's some basic thing about HTML, and then some things about um what's the name? CSS. You understand what I'm saying? So let's do
Mm-hmm.
some. So there's some things that we have paragraph too. They call it P
What?
paragraph. So I'm going to just take all this off because I just want you to know about it. So I'm going to use paragraph. Paragraph is P. So for example, if you want to have paragraph, so this is your paragraph.
Mm-hmm. Okay, if I want, what do I do if I want to have paragraphs?
You want to have what?
If I want to have paragraphs, what do I do?
So did you see the way I wrote the code? Paragraph is like writing the body of your website. You understand what I'm saying? So you saw like I wrote like for example, I just wrote, you could write a lot of things. You understand? Like my name is Habi. Let me just say I am learning.
Okay, I'm just gonna erase all my H1,
I know
H2
when
to
you have account, you would have saved it and so people can be looking at it.
I'm just gonna delete all my H2 to 6. I'm good with them.
Okay.
And then I write P.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Joshua. Joshua. I am learning to code.
So for example, I want to give my P. I want to design my P. Just the same. That's the paragraph. Just the same method.
What do you mean? What are you saying?
So like I want to design this P. My name is Habi. I'm learning coding in CSS. I want to style it. So that's what I want to do now. So I'm going to give a color. Let me say I want to give a color. Let me say blue. Then I want to give it a size because I want this to be big, right? So I will
Mm-hmm.
not go down. I'll be like font size. Let me say 18 PS. So it's a little bit big. Let me change it to like 28. Let me see how big it's gonna be. You see how big it is.
Okay, let
So
me
like
try.
its height too. Like I want to give it a line height.
Let me
So there's
try.
a whole kind of thing you could play with. Let me say I give it 1.6. So the color, we have the text color. You can use it to play around. Then the front size is how big. So this front size that we use is how
Wait, my P isn't turning into the color I picked.
can you share your screen to let me see what's happening? Let me stop sharing mine.
See, I picked gold and it's not turning gold. I see, I picked gold and it's not turning gold. Hello? Mm-hmm. Vegan, you're muted. You're muted.
Sorry about that. I didn't know. Can you share your screen back? I said because you didn't use the coily bracket. You're supposed to use the coily bracket to close it down.
Oh.
Yeah. And then you
Uh,
need to take, let me see, pick color. Let me try and change my own to bold and see. There's a problem. Let me see. Can you close after the text align? Can you put the closing brackets after center?
oh, there we go. That's what.
Yeah, so there's something about coding. If you make mistake with one single thing, everything might not work.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's how bad it is.
And then let me see what you did. Oh, and then I do.
The front size and then the line length.
um, I don't know what to. Is it like 28x or something? Or 28p? I don't know how to make it bigger. All I know is to do font size and then. Oh, oh.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I don't know what's wrong with the service, so can you hear me?
Yes.
The service is pretty bad. Let me keep sharing my screen then.
Uh, so,
I can't see your screen again.
oh, sorry about that. So it's not turning
It's,
into the
no,
size I
because you
want.
didn't use it's supposed to be PX, P and X, P before X. Yes.
Yay.
Let me share my screen. You look tired.
Only a little bit.
What happened today? You went to play football?
No.
So the line height, have you tried that?
The line hide?
Mm-hmm.
What is a line hide?
Just you want it to be in a line. It's not really necessary, but you want it to be in a line.
Uh, okay, what do you do? What do you do?
So did you write the code for that?
For what?
For the line height. This one. Did you see this one?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
line height
Mm-hmm.
1.6.
So we have a lot. So we can do word spacing too. Let me try word spacing. So like the word spacing, you see that it was able to space. It gave it some space.
Okay. Um.
So we have a lot that we can play around it. You understand what I'm saying? So there's also
Yeah.
letter spacing, there's padding. We'll try some of it before the class goes to an end. So let me know when you're done with the line height and word spacing.
I don't think it worked for me. Let
Can you
me
share your
see
screen?
it differently. Oh, I know what I did differently. Okay, I'm done with those. And is this meeting actually being streamed on YouTube? Miss ADEYEMI?
What did you say?
I said, is this meeting actually being streamed on YouTube?
You saw it. I'm trying to record it so that if you want to go back, since it's HTML stuff, you can see what we did.
Record what? How much? What?
I don't understand what you're saying.
I said, is this meeting actually being streamed live on YouTube?
No, it's being recorded. Is it stream live?
I
Oh,
mean, it's saying it's being streamed live on YouTube.
oh no, it's supposed to be recorded. It's my personal meeting room. I'll send the link to you. So that the reason why I'm recording is so that if you get, I normally record my class so that you can go back and visit it if you want, if you have problem. You understand what I'm
Okay.
saying? Yeah. So if you have any question, you always look at what you understand what I'm saying.
Hmm. Wait, can you send me the link?
When we are done with the class, I can't get the link now. When I'm done, I'll send you the link.
Okay.
Yeah. So that you want to go back and check what we've done so that you understand it. You understand? So have you done the word spacing?
Yes.
Mhm. So let's try letter spacing too.
What letter spacing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what number? What number?
Spacing, let's put it like 2 piece X.
I did that.
Hmm.
I did that.
Okay, good. So you see that the letter spacing gives the letter. Do you give the letter spacing? Let me see.
What do you mean?
It's going to let the letter get space. There was a little bit spacing. Let me put like, for example, let me put 5 and C. You see, it gives space to the letters. Do you
I
understand it?
don't. Let me zoom in. 5 px.
Huh?
So I get. So if I do 5px, then it gets like. Oh yeah. I did that.
Good. So you see that it worked like that, right?
Hmm.
Then,
Wait. So wait. When it's streamed on YouTube, is it like a YouTube channel or something?
oh yes, is it my YouTube channel, but this is for private stuff so that you'll be able to see it after class. Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
I'll send the
I
link to
want to.
You want to? That's good. So I'm going to send the link to you. Let me look for the link
Wait,
here.
what is your YouTube channel called?
Let me, I'm going to get the link to you. 1 second. Let me search for it. 1 second, okay? My kids, they also have a YouTube channel.
Your kids have a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm. 1 second. I'm trying to get the link for you. Mm, where is it? Okay. Okay. I'll send it to the Zoom link. Did you click on
Oh,
it?
yeah, I clicked on
Did you click on it? Can you hear me?